Hello and welcome to Solmax Sessions. My name is Lally. This is the place to be if you're interested in the world of geosynthetics. Today I have a very unique type of geomembrane that I want to share with you today, so stick around and find out what it is. Leaks. Who wants leaks in their brand new geomembrane system? I can tell you how many owners and engineers want leaks in a geomembrane. You know how many? That's how many. 0. And that's why Solmax has developed its leak location conductive liner. And this is it right here. Doesn't look like anything special, but it is. The beauty of this system is that we're able to determine if there are any leaks within the geomembrane or any breaches within the geomembrane prior to the system going into service. So it's basically a preemptive survey of the system to ensure that it's a leak-free system. Solmax's leak location conductive liner is a co-extruded geomembrane that features a bottom conductive layer. This conductive layer allows for a wide variety of electrical leak surveys to be performed on exposed as well as buried geomembrane applications to much greater reliability than geomembranes that are not conductive. Used in conjunction with the Solmax S100 spark tester, we can say that damage caused by things like subgrade aggregate, soil cover placement, as well as construction damage can be virtually eliminated. There are many advantages to using the Solmax leak location conductive liner. You see, when the substrate is comprised of a non-conductive material, such as other geosynthetics or a drainage geocomposite, minerals, or recycled aggregates, an electrical leak survey cannot be performed accurately when using a non-conductive liner. Another challenge is the intimate contact between the geomembrane and the conductive substrate, which is required for successful leak detection. This can be difficult to achieve when the subgrade is either frozen, dry, or low moisture. So when you take these factors into consideration, you can see why the Solmax leak location conductive liner might be important for your project, especially if the waste is toxic and you need to be sure that there are no adverse effects in the environment. The thing is, Solmax is also here to support you. We've actually been able to train a lot of the installers on the usage of the Solmax S100 spark tester. This is the case on a project that I'm currently working on in Utah. It's an oil and gas site. In this particular case, it is in an environmentally sensitive area. And the waste that they will be containing is toxic, and they are cognizant of the environmental ramifications if there are any type of leaks. In this particular case, they're actually using 2 layers of conductive. They're using a primary and a secondary liner with a GCL and a drainage geocomposite. So they really do want to ensure that there aren't any breaches within this system in Utah. So I commend the engineers and I commend the owners for protecting the environment with the Solmax leak location conductive liner. And one thing that they can be sure of is we're going to alleviate the risk and any potential damages that are caused by any potential leaks. So that about wraps up the leak location conductive liner from Solmax. If you need further information, feel free to visit our website at www.solmax.com. And depending on where you are in the world, have a good morning, have a good afternoon, and have a good night. Take care.